Situation: user upgraded his laptop to SSD and installed fresh Windows 7 on it. One day the old HDD failed and he couldn't boot Windows 7 on the SSD because the boot record was installed on the HDD. This video shows how to restore the boot record on an SSD. Boot to Windows 7 setup. Click on Repair your computer. Scan for Windows 7 installation. Make sure Windows 7 was installed on the SSD. Windows 7 installation found. The partition contains Windows installation must be activated. Rebooting. Windows Setup repairs boot record automatically. But Windows 7 still hasn't booted successfully. Reboot to Windows Setup again. Click to Startup Repair. Windows 7 boots successfully.